Say, give me you, man.
Right.
Give me you, man. Me see if you, man, can do something. Man.
That's
me
it.
do good.
Yeah.
Push his children them through high school.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. And as you can see here in the background, I'm right beside of a tractor. Okay, alright, it's all about the cutting of sugar cane.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican farmers.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Yeah, as you can see behind me, yeah, the cutting of sugar cane. So if you're new here, my name is Ever Slick. And I'm gonna show you what's going on inside the cane field. How the cane is cut, and then the tractor, the grabber is gonna come, take up the cane, put it inside the truck. Don't know if the grabber and the trailer is coming here at this time, but trust me, my viewers, stick around because there's a lot to show you. Alright? It's all about Jamaican sugar cane. Yeah, I know it cut. So stick around. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, as you can see, yeah, it's all about sugar cane. Yeah, it's all about sugar cane. Yeah, this is the burn cane. Yeah, the burn sugar cane. It burn. As you can see, let me shoot up close and personal to show you what's going on. Yeah, the cane burn and then it cut. All right. So yes, it's all about sugar cane. And as you can see, it cut row by row. Alright. I'm trying to give you a overhead view with the drone, but the breeze is very strong here in the field. So yes, my viewers, as you can see, this time around, I guess these cane are going to Everglade. Yeah, the Langpan Sugar Factory. Yes. Right here in Clarkstown, Trelawney. Alright, so as you can see, my viewers, canes, sugar canes, cutting lines. Alright, so each line always cut by two persons, you know, or one person sometimes cut it. And as far as you can see, cane down the line, as far as you can see, cane is ahead. Yeah, it's all about sugar cane. So this is the same sugar cane that go to the Langpan Sugar Factory, yeah, and they grind it and juice it and then boil the juice to make sugar, and the rum and the molasses come from it also. So as you can see, my viewers, I'm here. Yeah, I'm here showing you what's going on inside the cane field here. I'm going near to where someone was cutting before. Alright, I'm gonna show you what's going on here. Yes, as you can see, this work is not an easy work. It's not an easy task to cut sugar cane, alright? So yes, as you can see, all of these canes lie down. Yeah, so the cutter have to come and he have to cut them out one or two to get rid of them to go ahead. So it is not an easy task to cut sugar cane, you know what I mean? And as you can see, it is a very long way to go. Yeah, it's a very long way to go down the bottom. But trust me, it is very easy for some of them to just come and cut and go through. As you can see, all the canes are down. Yeah, all the canes are down. Yeah, so that is the reason why most of the time they burn it. So once them cut the cane from here, they put it on the heap. So that is the reason why you have this long heap here. So when the grabber come in one line here and he take up and throw into the truck or into the trailer. Okay, so yes, my viewers, stick around. I have a lot more to show you. Yes, my viewers, as you can see, most of the workers them they are afraid of the camera. They don't want to go on camera, so I have to be very careful who I catch in the film here. So yes, as you can see, sugar cane, my people. Come on, sugar cane going to the Everglade Langpan Sugar Factory right here in Clarkstown, Trelawney. Yeah. As you can see all the canes, how them cut. Yeah. You can see it's not an easy task for someone to come and cut all these canes. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. This part don't cut as yet, as you can see. So yeah, someone is going to come back and cut these out. Yeah, throw it back into the heap. Yeah, my viewers. It's all about bone cane. This is how it look when it don't burn. Yeah, when the cane don't burn, this is how it look. But when it burn, it look like these, very black. Alright? It gives you a different taste when it burn. Yeah, it gives you a different taste. It gives you a stronger taste than when it's fresh. Yeah. So yes, my viewers. It's all about sugar cane. Want to eat piece of the cane here, but I leave my knife. You know what I mean? Yeah, I leave my knife. So most of the time when the fire is light to burn the cane, some of the time the fire get away. You know what I mean? Burn down whole heap of places. But trust me, it's all about sugar cane. As you can see, the fire get away and it burns. Burns sometimes even the hills and the valleys. It burns. As you can see right around, the fire catch it burn, but it's just bushes to burn, you know what I mean? So yes, my viewers, here don't cut as yet. So someone is gonna come and start it to cut here, all right? So yes, my viewers, most of the guys are afraid of the camera, but there's a lady up top. I'm gonna interview her. She said she wanna come on camera, so I'm gonna interview her, all right? So yes, my viewers. Stick around, Jamaican Farmers Hut, and we're here on the cane field, in the cane field. All right, stick around. It's not an easy task cutting cane, you know what I mean? So when these guys cut 2 lines of cane, you know, that is money. Yeah, back in the days, the Langpan Sugar Factory, it was the heart of Trelawney. Yeah, so at this time, I guess there's not so much cane plant here now. Only 1 and 2 field leave. You know, because I guess them stop make the sugar, them only make rum. Because the Langpan distillery is controlled by Everglade. You know, it's a different organization. So them have less cane field. Yeah, so there's there's not enough cane to cut. But trust me, we are here on the field. Yeah, sugar cane. You want a piece of sugar cane, you can go into a pile and you can take up a piece of sugar cane and peel and eat. Yeah, but trust me, this burn one, it is very strong. You know, you can taste even the rum inside of it. All right, so stay tuned. This is the tractor that draw the trailer with the cane. All right, yeah, my viewers, stick around. There's a lot more to come. Okay, I'm here with a female here. Yeah, so my viewers, stick around. she got a lot to tell us, you know what I mean? So yes, can you give us your name and what you're doing here?
Veronica Delma Hodges.
Okay.
A lot of name, you know?
Yes, we understand.
We say good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you cut cane also?
Yeah, years now.
My God, how many years you have been cutting cane?
More than 16 years.
My God, because cutting cane is a very hard job to do, you know. But you know, it's your job, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's a job.
Right. So this line here is yours.
Yeah.
My God, so is you one cutting it?
Yes.
You start from Monday evening?
Yes.
Okay.
4 line. We carry 2, go down and go back with 2.
Okay.
Because my partner no come.
Oh.
He said tomorrow he will come.
Yes.
So me I go and do 1 line.
Oh.
You know say a St. Thomas me go. Me have some young kids and then they do good at school.
Right.
And up there is a poor country, but a nice parish.
Yes.
St. Thomas in the East.
Yes.
They live at Anton community.
Okay.
Yeah, and me say, you know, say me have to go look something for help out with the youth.
Seen.
My father, them not pay me no mind.
Understand.
Yeah, so we take one stepfather. You
Oh.
have to try something, you know.
Yeah, true.
Because you love your youth, them. You
True,
see?
and you want the best for them, you know?
Yes. So
Yeah.
take a stepfather, you know, go and goal. So me say, you know, say me go want to play a father figure in the road, but
True.
go good with
Yeah.
mother and father. Walk and look work, can't get none.
My God.
For like people, them go and town go sell. That nah go.
Yeah.
Like you, them a do good.
Yeah.
So me go down and duck in feel like factory.
Okay.
And me ask them for something for do. Them I say they don't have nothing on the little cane cutting crop stars. So me I say, yeah man, but I try some mind.
See.
We never do it yet, you know, but the mind did it.
Yeah, the mind.
So
The
we
mind set
do
to work.
it.
Yeah.
Yes. And then give me 2 file bill
What?
and say if they see me turn up,
Right.
they know we serious. I go home. My fear never like it still, but he say he can't tell me say no do it. I want more and figure
Yes, yes.
Mommy wake up soon in the morning, you know, and go out, you know. Nobody know what cut with me.
Okay.
Then I said that never happened at St. Thomas
Okay.
sugar yet. So say one guy did it say named Duppy. Say, give me you man.
Right.
Give me you man. Me see if you man can do something. Man.
Right.
Give him a good work down the day there.
Yeah.
And then beg me say come back in next
My
day.
God.
And I eat.
That's
me
it.
do good.
Yeah.
Push the children them through high school. Me have one now done college and they teach down west.
Yeah.
Special need.
Okay.
Proud of them.
That's good. Yeah,
Yes.
that's good. That's good.
Me have one son now, my father, give one granddaughter.
Right, that's good.
Then take their work, you know.
Yeah,
they
yeah.
don't make me share.
Yeah, because you work very hard.
Yes, yes. I'm still Sunday, me have 57.
Yeah.
And when they tell me say, me plant this, you know, me and my partner plant
Okay. And you see
Yes.
man come cut it.
Yes, and me say me never plant it with bad mind.
Right.
So him say I first, then see one plant cane beer like other one.
My
here,
God. Yeah.
It beer, so till.
You understand?
You understand? So me say me have to come cut some item
Yes.
so I feel like this age.
Yes.
And me proud how me feel from Tuesday, Monday evening. You know, say me gone about 10 ton on the line.
Yes, man.
You see?
That mean money.
Yes.
Yeah.
I know say that can help up with the little birthday surprise thing what me have for me and my kids. Say,
Right.
grandchildren.
Oh, you have plans.
Yeah.
Yeah, in life you have to have plans, you know what I mean?
Yeah, me have 5, call it 6 grand.
Yes.
Me have 4 girls, 4 granddaughter,
Okay.
and 2 grandson.
Yeah.
Me have DeMarco, Blake, and me have Chavin Enriquez.
Magnificent.
Yeah, and me have a twinner, Pennsylvania, America.
Yeah.
And me have one singer.
Yeah.
Big up, hope, faith, and truth.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
And my ear out long pants.
Yes. In the
Me
field.
go and do something.
For real, man.
Yes. And this make sugar. I make vinegar.
Yeah.
I put it for something you can't make, you know. And that's why me love to do it. Me just have to be careful and go down the line.
Yeah. All right.
That's how we do it here.
For real. All right. Blessings. Yeah. I mean, for real, every time. All right. Pick up yourself. Jamaican Farmers Hut here. On YouTube. Jamaican Farmers Hut. Hut, yeah. Yeah, man. And thank you. Yeah, my viewers, as you can see. Yeah. The one and only female on the farm here. Yes. And she's doing well. You know what I mean? Yes. Just stick around. There's a lot more to come. Yeah, my viewers, she want to make some big up. You know, she want to make some big up. Yeah, man, I mean, send your greetings.
Yeah, big up a Jamaica farmers out, you know.
Yes.
So we are give you straight across the sugar industry. Jamaica, we say. Nah, left here.
All right.
Yeah, we have long pan. It on Evergreen. And we go way back up a center of sugar. Duck and field. We have a bush of beans. We have sour sap. We have no family co-worker them up there. We no big up on ourselves, you know. We don't have children in our sugar same way. Because we say sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we want big up Mr. Ovel down at Chirani right now.
Yeah.
I'm a field supervisor. And Mr. Pierre, D. Pierre.
Yeah.
I'm the farmer contractor. Although more time I can't agree, but we love them.
True.
Yes, because sugar we say, you know, I'm farming. If
Yeah.
you look right over there, so me have a crumb over there too, you know. And we little fire coal. And when we burn it coal, we still plant something.
Yeah.
We plant yam, we plant banana, we plant every little thing where we can get to yam.
Okay.
Yeah. And we have big up down at JPS.
Yeah.
Workers them down there down at Falmouth, Wellington Street. And we say good up, you know.
Yes, man.
Because we get light. And
Yeah.
we give light. Yes.
And where there is life, there is hope.
Yeah. And when the pastor preach, we say light.
True, man. True, man. True.
Yes, the farmer's hut.
Yeah.
He have everything, you know. It's nice, spicy, and a real Jamaica food.
Right.
Real Jamaica food. You want to see real okra juice.
Thank you.
Yeah. What you say your name, are you?
My name? Everton. Ever Slick.
Yeah. Everton, ever sick. You have a recipe for okra juice, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can check him out.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what to tell you what to do with the okra juice.
Okay.
Yes.
Very
A
man.
farmer's out here way.
Yeah.
And it can make porridge too.
See.
We roast it, we boil it, yes.
So how we make the bomb now?
We dry it, we peel it. Special way we peel it, you know, we don't peel it down. We peel it round.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cassava.
Yeah.
Right.
Cassava, we grate it. We shell it out like, spice it up. We have the iron feet, you know, the rims feet.
Okay.
You put it in the rims, you put it on the iron, and you put him with little fire underneath the iron. I eat that.
I hit that.
Yeah,
Bomb
you
ready.
have to juice it out little starch where people use and starch them clothes back then.
Yeah.
I don't know if they're still using now.
Yeah.
But that for me, old people them used to use.
Okay.
Bammy nice.
Yes,
When you
man.
make all the bammy, and you know want make you just grate it with one piece of coconut, little sugar,
Yeah.
and you put it in your little something and push it in your oven. And a couple minutes time you take it out.
You can cut a slice.
You know want it done.
Yes.
With your little Surge Island dairy milk.
Okay.
I same farming, same way, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Very
Yeah,
so,
you know, so me go give some work down here.
yes. All right. So what the truck is doing now?
Oh, it's this, the molasses water
Oh.
from the sugar, the same cane.
Oh.
Because they are in rum production now.
Yeah. Okay.
So that are the molasses water what
Okay.
then take off of the cane same way. So them are transplant it back on the earth.
Oh.
Because little from now, them will clean up the earth and them will ready for plant cane again. That's them
Okay.
can get product like this.
Like these. Okay. Me understand. That's what's going on there.
Yeah, the factory is in a good working condition, but because of finance wise,
Yes.
it's not up.
Oh, me
But me
understand.
think say some of the little farmers them they consider it. Because this man we plant for and like it. So you know,
Yeah.
plant more all over there so
Yeah.
next month you come and cane over
Cane
there.
over there.
You
Okay.
understand? And back out so when
Yeah.
you go George way.
Yeah.
We have
Yeah.
a few blocks. 300 and odd blocks. You see.
Okay.
You know, but that way you still go on there.
Yeah. The molasses going back
And
into the earth.
molasses water
Yes.
from the factory, they purify back the earth.
Oh.
Production.
All right.
That means it Instead of you throw the fertilizer, you they get the natural stuff back from the cane.
Yes, me understand.
Yes,
Me
yes.
understand. Me understand.
Yeah.
Me understand.
That
Okay.
is our fertilizer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, for
So
real.
when they do it like that, it now just go right there, you know.
It's spread.
Yes.
Oh.
They have a pump
Yes.
where like it's sprinkle.
It's okay.
They do it block by block.
Okay. Okay. Understand. Okay.
So when they do it like that, they have time when they go burn off the grass off it.
Yes.
Plow it up.
Yes.
And sieve out the mark them. And then they line it up. The cane.
Oh, I understand.
And we see one come back on plant.
I understand. Alright, well, me could go up on the line and I want to see how you work. Cause man, get a little video how you work, you know.
You want to see?
Yeah. Okay. Alright, my viewers, we're going to see how she cut the cane. So stick around, you're gonna see what's going on. Alright, my viewers? Yeah, walking through the fields here. Okay, my viewers, see what's going on. Okay. Yes, my viewers. She started. Yeah. That's the cutting of cane. That's the cutting of sugar cane, alright? Yes, my viewers. Cutting of sugar cane. She works so hard. Yeah.
You still have to enjoy life and enjoy yourself, because later on, when you see me, you can't know what I mean.
True. After hard days of work. Yeah.
And rest and feel.
Yeah.
And fix up back myself.
And trash out on the road.
You see me later, you can't tell me me.
True, man.
You see how me call me love it.
True.
You understand?
True. Yeah, man.
It's hard, but if you love it, you can't manage it.
Yes, for real. Yeah, my viewers, that's a cutting of cane, alright? What's your name again?
It's Veronica.
Oh, Veronica, alright. Veronica is here. She's doing well.
But my sister.
Alright, she has to big up her sister. Okay, from St. Thomas. Auntie Dooley, big up. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Okay.
My mother is from St. Thomas and my father is from Clan.
Oh, okay.
So if you working fights, you get it from my father.
I understand.
My mother work, you know.
Yeah.
But my mother don't work hard like my father.
Yeah, understand.
My mother is an industrial.
Okay.
Father is a farmer.
Yeah. Yeah.
They raise cow, goat, pig, pigeon. You name all of them.
All of the above.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, one when they sense, yeah, them me love it.
Okay.
Whether them cock up.
Oh, yes, for real.
They never like it, the one when they say we call it discourage. They call it discourage.
Yeah.
They like that when he comes up. They'll walk him up right up.
Yeah. Alright, my
Love the
big.
farming, you know, me love it.
For real, man.
Yeah, put food for me table.
Yes, for real.
Every time.
Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, it's how the cane cut. Alright, so Veronica is here. So stick around. I have a lot more to show you guys, alright? Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, the breeze is very strong here, you know what I mean? So if you're hearing that hissing sound, it is the wind. The wind is very strong inside the field here. As you can look behind me, there's a lot of space, you know what I mean? Because all the cane I've cut from here. So yes, just leave from Veronica line You know, she's a very hard worker, working for our kids and our grandkids, all right? So, Jamaican Farmers Dot, don't forget to like and to share and to subscribe to my channel, all right? And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.